Peloton today was a top trending ticker on Yahoo Finance. When we take a closer look at the news, today it reported over 125,000 treadmills were recalled, saying there was a risk of injury. It just so happens this news is coming on the eve of earnings. Tomorrow, Peloton will report its earnings after the bell. So you have to ask yourself, how much lower can this stock go? And when we take a look at Peloton, today it was down 14.5%. Some huge volume coming in from that news. On a year-to-date, Peloton is down 43%, and we just take a look from those highs, it's down a little over 50%. When we take a look at some of the technicals on this thing, RSI's on the floor, stochastics on the floor, and the money flow has fallen off of a cliff. So you got to be asking yourself, how much lower can this stock go with earnings on deck tomorrow? Well, for that, we go to the options market. We look 2 days out, and their pricing still $9.62. So with an 83% implied volatility, this is a stock that can move and move very fast. So when we take a look at it on its expected move, the options market priced in about $6.50. And you can see we broke below that one standard deviation. So I'm going to add some drawings here, and we take a look up close at this thing. The 2.5 sigma is at 82.02 and the 2 standard deviations at 85.29. So we take a closer look intraday. You can see that 2.5 standard deviation played some support at $82, give or take. However, getting back above 85 was a struggle as we failed in the afternoon. Now you got to be asking yourself, what if these earnings are just horrible? Well, we see the Fibonacci 61% right here, and that's 76.29. We also have a 3 sigma at 78.76. So I would say the 78 to 76 level should be a very, very strong support. And if you do like this stock, it would be a great time to get into this position. Scaling in would be the way to do it. I can't see them breaking through this Fibonacci. We could potentially hit it after the bell in tomorrow's tape when their earnings come out. But when we look at it in terms of this week, it's hard to say because when we browse the market across the board, we take a look where the SPX is. It's slightly negative on the week. Over in the NASDAQ, because Peloton is a tech stock, you can see we broke the 1 sigma at 13,582. And we're holding above the 1.5 sigma at 13,440. If we do continue to roll, because when you look at it intraday, the NASDAQ kind of rolled over as the day progressed. Look for that 2 sigma at 13,300. But when you just take a look at the VVIX, you can see the VVIX also trended up after lunch. So this could be a sign that selling could potentially still be on tomorrow's tape as all of our indices were in the week. However, the Dow Jones did put a new all-time high, largely due to Apple that led the way, but you can see Apple gave that up. So the market rolled back over, and we'll have to brace ourselves heading into Thursday. Seeing the VVIX tick up, seeing the indexes roll over is not a good sign. So with Peloton having its earnings after the bell tomorrow, look for tomorrow to remain relatively quiet. When you just take a look how it traded, this $82 should play some support. Being down 14.5%, I would expect a small bounce in tomorrow's opening, maybe to 85.29, but ultimately you can see we broke that 50% fib at 94.40. The next line is 76.29. So if you are long Peloton, holding 76.29 is a key level of support, and we'll have to get through the week at least above 76.29. Otherwise, things could turn pretty ugly. But there you have it for the top trending stock today, and that was Peloton. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like. It means a lot when you guys can show some support and hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, show some love and hit that subscribe button. I love to do crypto market breakdowns as well as stock market breakdowns on Friday, but I'm starting to do trending tickers twice a week, and Peloton was a ticker in today's tape. But other than that, I will see you in tomorrow's video. It'll be a crypto market breakdown. Have a great night. Take care. Peace!